The cheese, Joseph.
What up, man? It's JoJo on the go. If you know me, you know I stay open. Go, you heard? Look, we got the light off. I'll show y'all what was wrong with it. I went and brought it to the shop and had them put it on the machine, and we got it fixed. You heard me? You heard me? But I don't know how much battery space I got on my camera, man. Got a little space. I forgot my charger. I grabbed the wrong charger wire. Grab a wire for the computer instead of a wire for my phone, man. And I'm almost on 0%. I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know I'm taking care of the baby. She bumped her head a little bit, but I patched it up, you heard me? Yeah, man. With that being said, I hope y'all having a nice, productive day. Oh man, I got so much that happened this week. I wish I could have vlogged it, but my camera was acting up, man. Still. But yeah, so much happened. I'm gonna fill y'all in on what been going on. You know, been going a little bit, giving y'all a little bit of what been going on with me. You heard me? I'm in a little traffic. But there go the po-pos. People. Good thing I'm in traffic. We're legal, y'all. I'm actually coming from the shop, from picking the track hog up from the shop. I left my car, one of my other cars, at the shop. So we on our way back. We about to drop this off. I don't know if I'm gonna jump in an Uber or catch me a ride all the way back to where I left the car at, which is like an hour away with traffic. You heard me? So, man, we about to see. We on a little journey today. I'm gonna try to take y'all with me if the camera don't die. And I get to grab my charger while I'm at the house, so that's a plus. So if the phone go off right now, oh, we still recording. If the camera go off right now, you hear me? I'm gonna be right back on as soon as I get to this charger. And I got the air all in y'all ear. I might as well start this all the way over, huh? Start this content all the way over. And blew y'all eardrums out with the AC. Come on, Grams. Push that pedal down a little bit. Man, I gotta make a stop too, y'all. Buying pass all over them up. Need to go to the bank. There's a bank, bank right here. Speaking of the devil, like they say in the South, you hear me? Speaking of the devil, the bank right here. She ride even better too, since I fixed that little problem. Scared to get too close on my rims, man. Let me get a little closer. After that, I'm reaching out the window. They will be looking at me crazy. I'm gonna cut the camera on when I get finished this business, y'all. What up, world? It's JoJo on the go. If you know me, you know I stay on the go, man. Shit, I'm swerving a little bit, y'all. I'm swerving a little bit. We back. Yep. Hope everybody having a good day. Oh yeah, we got that. Got the check engine light off. I had brought it to the shop, the dealer, and let them put it on the machine so we can see, man. So we can see what was wrong with it. Let me turn this air off out y'all ear. But yeah, man, I went to the shop. It kicked out a code, one code. I think the part was like $14.99. I put the part on myself, and the light went off by itself. So yeah, we good, man. You heard me? You heard me? But I just wanted to check in with y'all. I'm on this road right now. Car going slow. Check them out. Watch out, Mr. Prius. Watch out, Mr. Prius. Going slow. Man, a lot been going on. I know y'all been missing me. If y'all been missing me, I know y'all been missing me. But if y'all been missing me, I haven't been sitting still. I've been grinding for sure. Getting some things done. You know. We got monetized, that's for sure. I've been getting that in order, all the business behind that. They doing? What y'all doing? But yeah, man, we riding. You heard me? On my own. I think we're gonna take a POV ride today. I just wanted to update y'all on what I've been doing. I've been checking the check engine light, getting that situated. I decided to register the car in Oregon because you know, as y'all know, I'm from Louisiana, so I was gonna ship the car back to Louisiana and register down there. That's why I haven't got a license plate. But I decided to register the car here. So yeah, I got all that in play. I've been taking care of that. Sitting in the DMV for 2 days. I got that coming. What else? Oh, I picked a new color for the Trackhawk. We're about to change the color of this thing. For sure, put the Go Gang touch on it. You heard me? We're gonna put my little touch on it. So I picked a new color. I haven't seen this color on no Trackhawk ever. So hopefully it stay that way until I put it on mine, you heard me? But I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute when I stop on the next episode of JoJo on the Go. Alright? Alright, y'all, we back, you heard me? And been sitting under the cover for a while, so wash it up. We go on. It's gonna be a little different type of video today. Y'all ain't gonna watch me wash it because we seen that already. I'm about to wash up because she dirty, baby. She dirty. And since we couldn't get the bill sheet on her, we gonna try to see if we can figure out what upgrades they did to this 2018 Trackhawk. We'll try to map out exactly what upgrades we got on here, y'all. So if y'all see something that I don't see, comment below. You know, but for now, we're gonna oh shit. For now, we're gonna get it washed, man. Yeah. We're gonna wash up for now, so y'all don't want, I ain't gonna show y'all this boring shit. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when she's shining like a nipple. You hear me? What up, man? It's JoJo on the go. If you know me, you know I stay on the go, man. We got little JoJo in this thing, you heard me? We got little JoJo in that thing, you heard me? Huh? We just taking a ride, man. We had a doctor's visit. Huh? Tell him I had to go see the doctor right quick. Now I'm about to eat my chicken, my french fries. Got your hot 2-piece, mom. Check it out. But yeah, man. Ooh, look at that. SRT. It's all good too. Man, look at them big ass pipes on the back though. That's some big tips. Them big tips on that car. That car, man, the SRT right there, the big old tips, man. Say what's up, YouTube?
What's up?
Say how y'all been, man? What's up, man? How y'all been, man? Say hit the like button.
Hit my button.
Say subscribe and hit the like button. Say subscribe to my daddy channel. Huh? Man, what's wrong with my screen? Look how blurry it look, y'all. I don't know what's going on today. Back it off. Let's see. Drinking and driving. Look at you. Drinking and driving, man. Got a college right there. I don't know what they doing. But yeah, man, we on our way from the doctor. And we stopped, got us something to eat. Now, I got this air off so y'all can won't hear all that noise, but it's warm today. It don't look warm out there, but it is. Look, we behind 5% tint. Boy, it's bright. Bright. Say it's bright, y'all. Say it's bright, y'all. Yup, but man, where have I been? We finally got the camera situation straight. I done brought out so much iCloud space and so much Google space and so much this space and that space. And it still wasn't working, like. But I kept messing with it, kept tweaking with it, kept messing with it, and now it's working. Hopefully it's working. This is my first day trying it, so if this video get out, that means it's working, y'all. You heard me? You heard me. Don't cross the street, buddy. Don't do it. I'll tell your ass. But right now, I think the camera's showing a little like blurry, like I don't know if I mess up the settings or what. Look how look. See how blurry that is? That real blurry, man. I don't know what's wrong with it. I have to start the video. I don't know, y'all, but it don't matter what the video look like. I'm putting this one out for sure. Cause I gotta put out some content. I ain't put out content in a couple of weeks. So we gonna put this one out, man. I just wanted to introduce y'all to Lil JoJo on the go. Huh? Lil JoJo? I'm JoJo 3. We're gonna call him JoJo 4. JoJo 4. I'm JoJo 3, yeah, man.
Not the phone.
Joe 3, Joe 4.
The phone, the
Joe 3, Joe 4.
The phone.
Hold up, don't do that. We go back in, man.
Huh?
We go back in.
Huh?
We go back in.
Huh?
What you mean, What you mean, Yeah, we're gonna let that back in.
I got it, Mommy.
All the cars in the driveway, I'm gonna have to move them so I can get all the way in that thing. You heard me, like she said. I'm gonna do it later though, before it get dark. I'm gonna park right here for now. Huh? We gonna park here for now, huh, man? But I just wanted to check in with y'all, man. I still got the Trackhawk. The Trackhawk is sitting in the driveway. My personal vehicles is in the driveway right now with the Trackhawk, so I'm not going to even show y'all because, you know, like I said, I keep my personal vehicles to me because they're my personal vehicles. That Trackhawk, that's for content. You heard me? My Camaro SS, that's for content.
Throw it away. Throw it away.
Throw it away?
Throw it away.
Okay. So, look at he trying to do. Go ahead. What you trying to throw all that chicken away too, boy? Don't do that, boy. Wind that one down, boy. How old are you?
Daddy, throw it away.
Throw it away?
Yeah.
Okay, we throw it away. You ready to get out?
Yeah.
All right. He ready to get out, y'all. So we gonna get back with y'all. Say we coming back, YouTube. Say we'll be back. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, y'all, we back. Got it all cleaned up. And now we're gonna check out, see what upgrades we got. Let me the seat, man. Let's see what make a tick, Eric. First, got this pedal commander. That's pretty dope. That make a big difference in the horsepower. I ain't lying. That make it go so fast. Pop this hood, man. Yeah, we got it. Oh, we got this. I ordered a new hood.
What is going on? It's very dangerous ahead. Give me that test.
Gotta go sleep. You love me? Miss you? It's JoJo.
Come on, let's go.
Go to sleep.
Oh yeah.
Run!
Go to sleep.
I need to go to the bathroom urgently.